Welcome back to my channel. I am Nyasia. If you are new here, it's a little bit loud here. I'm actually photographing an apartment now. So let me go to another room to see if it could get a little bit quieter. I think that's better. Okay, I think this is the best I can do for noise. It's New York City, so let's talk. Number one, thank you guys so much for all of the views that I got on my tiny apartment tour. I never expected over 500,000 people to see that video. Like, that was not the goal, that was not the intention, but I am so grateful for all of the comments that I received on that video, which brings me to number two. I just want to clear up the fact that that was not my apartment. I am a real estate broker, so I just wanted to show you guys what tiny apartments in New York City look like. And I guess because I've been a broker for 14 years, to me it seemed normal. I never expected people to leave comments in such disbelief, and some were very kind and great because they thought the apartment was for me and they kind of just wanted what was best for me and to make it look pretty. And then some others, yeah, not so nice, but I'm okay with that. So I know that apartment was not only very small, but had a shared bathroom, and that was an issue for some people. So I wanted to give a different perspective of a tiny apartment still in New York, but that you wouldn't have to share bathrooms. So you can see that most apartments that are tiny apartments do have bathrooms. It's just that those apartments in my last video are called SROs, and they are grandfathered in, so they don't have to have a bathroom, and they are completely legal, which is a question that I got quite a bit. Many of you guys have asked to see what more construction, it never ends. Many of you guys have asked to see an apartment tour of where I actually live, and I plan on doing a complete overhaul of my current apartment. I have been there for quite some time, and it needs a complete refresh. So look forward to some apartment decor videos and some deep cleaning videos, because I think it needs that as well. But in the meantime, take a look at this tiny apartment tour in the West Village. Looks of this apartment, I think this is what a lot of people were thinking of how you would kind of set up the last apartment. It's cute. I don't know if you guys are gonna think so. Welcome to this very tiny unit in the West Village off Greenwich Avenue. I can do a little spin and you can kind of see the whole unit. Walking in, you kind of see the amount of floor space that you have, which is really not that much, but they were able to salvage as much floor space as possible by putting everything above the kitchen. So you would fit a single bed up there, and then these are the stairs that you would use to get up there. I would have preferred like a wooden ladder. I feel like this is a little bit, it makes a lot of noise. It's a little bit crankety, crickety, however you say it. So that's a little scary, but I guess if you can just secure that a little bit better, it wouldn't be a big deal. And here is your kitchen. So you have a mini fridge like most of these apartments have, a little bit of counter space, a cooktop, and then I like how they did some nice storage here. Place to charge things. I guess the last person lived here. I don't know if the landlord did this or the last person did this, but they put these cute little hanging plants out. I think that's a nice touch. Once again, this unit gets very good sunlight as well. You've got a little window above where the bed goes, and you have this really large window here as well, which I think I might go out there and show you guys. Kind of looks out to the back courtyard. And then when you turn around, looking at the front door, there's these cute little stairs that goes up to the rest of the kitchen. So up here is the dishwasher and the sink. And there's actually only one sink in this apartment, which is kind of standard for these kind of small apartments. If you do even have a sink, it's going to be one. And so you kind of use that one sink for your kitchen and for the bathroom, and it's usually next to the bathroom. So it's a little bit weird that if you're doing dishes, you're doing it right next to kind of like your toilet. But I like that they put a door, which is a separation here, so you're not looking at the toilet while you're doing your dishes. So many of the comments in my previous videos were complaints that I don't show the bathrooms, and I guess I never really thought people cared about the bathrooms that much, but I will oblige and show you the bathroom in this unit as well. It's actually very nice, and unlike the other unit, it's private, so you don't have to worry about that. This is kind of the vibe. You're getting dressed, you're putting on your makeup, you decide to eat a bowl of cereal, and then you can do your dishes in the dishwasher right afterwards. It works. And then we head back down the little stairs into the main space. I'm going to attempt to crawl up these stairs to see how difficult it would be to get up and down these stairs on a daily basis when getting out of bed. I guess you only get up there once, so it may not be a big of a deal, but let's see. I think it can work. Once you put the ladder back, you have this big storage. Some suitcases down here. You can fit all of your clothes. I mean, if you're in a tiny space, you probably don't have that much, but this is kind of bigger than some full-size apartments. This is a pretty good closet. Now that we've seen the living space inside, I think my favorite part of this apartment is actually the fire escape. Now I know technically a fire escape, you can't call it outdoor space, but in New York, having a fire escape is outdoor space. And for this kind of size apartment in the West Village to have somewhat of an outdoor space like this is actually really nice. But before we do that, I will tell you the price of this apartment. And I'm going to hear it in the comments like I always do, but the price of this apartment is $19.50. So let me know if you think this is better than the last apartment that we saw for $1,600 with no bathroom. Let's head outside. It's hard to get out of a window gracefully, but I tried my best. Here is your fire escape with a backyard view.